English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is very relevant in our modern world.
Yes, today we're talking about online courses.
More and more people are learning online.
It's flexible, accessible, and offers endless options.
Questions like,
Have you taken any online courses?
what platform do you use?
Are online courses effective?
How do you stay motivated?
After today, you'll be able to talk about online courses with confidence.
Let's start with why people take online courses.
Reasons for online learning.
I take online courses to learn new skills for my job.
It's flexible. I can study whenever I have time.
Online courses are often cheaper than traditional classes.
I can learn from top universities anywhere in the world.
It's great for people who work full-time.
Repeat. I take online courses to learn new skills for my job. It's flexible. I can study whenever I have time. Online courses are often cheaper than traditional classes. I can learn from top universities anywhere in the world. It's great for people who work full-time.
Now, let's have a conversation about online courses.
Emma, have you ever taken an online course?
Yes, several. I love the flexibility.
What did you study?
Digital marketing and data analysis. Great start. Now, let's talk about popular online learning platforms.
There are many options.
Coursera has courses from top universities.
Udemy has affordable courses on many topics.
edX offers free courses from Harvard and MIT.
LinkedIn Learning is great for professional skills.
Skillshare is good for creative subjects.
Repeat. Coursera has courses from top universities. Udemy has affordable courses on many topics. edX offers free courses from Harvard and MIT. LinkedIn Learning is great for professional skills. Skillshare is good for creative subjects.
You can ask,
What platform do you use for online courses?
which one do you recommend?
Are the courses free or paid?
Do you get a certificate at the end?
Repeat. What platform do you use for online courses? Which one do you recommend? Are the courses free or paid? Do you get a certificate at the end?
Let's practice talking about platforms.
I've taken a few courses on Coursera. They're really high quality.
I love Coursera too. Which course did you like best?
The data science specialization was excellent.
Great choice. Now, let's talk about types of online courses.
Courses come in different formats.
Some courses are self-paced. You go at your own speed.
Others have set start and end dates.
There are video-based courses with quizzes.
Some have live sessions with instructors.
Project-based courses let you build a portfolio.
Repeat. Some courses are self-paced. You go at your own speed. Others have set start and end dates. There are video-based courses with quizzes. Some have live sessions with instructors. Project-based courses let you build a portfolio.
You can ask,
Is the course self-paced?
are there live classes?
How are the courses structured?
Do you get feedback from instructors?
Repeat. Is the course self-paced? Are there live classes? How are the courses structured? Do you get feedback from instructors?
Let's practice talking about formats.
I prefer self-paced courses because I have a busy schedule.
Same. I can study when I have time.
Exactly. No pressure to keep up with a class.
Flexibility is key. Now, let's talk about advantages of online learning.
There are many benefits.
You can learn from anywhere with an internet connection.
You can pause and rewatch videos.
There's a huge variety of topics.
You can learn at your own pace.
It's often more affordable than traditional education.
Repeat. You can learn from anywhere with an internet connection. You can pause and rewatch videos. There's a huge variety of topics. You can learn at your own pace. It's often more affordable than traditional education.
You can ask,
What do you like most about online learning?
what are the biggest advantages?
Do you find it effective?
Is it better than traditional classes for you?
Repeat. What do you like most about online learning? What are the biggest advantages? Do you find it effective? Is it better than traditional classes for you?
Let's practice talking about advantages.
I love that I can pause and rewind videos. I never could do that in a real classroom.
That's such a good point. You can review until you understand.
Exactly. It's perfect for difficult topics.
Learning at your own pace is powerful. Now let's talk about challenges of online learning.
It's not always easy.
It's hard to stay motivated without a teacher.
I get distracted easily at home.
There's no one to ask questions immediately.
It can be lonely without classmates.
You need good time management skills.
It's hard to stay motivated without a teacher. I get distracted easily at home. There's no one to ask questions immediately. It can be lonely without classmates. You need good time management skills.
You can ask,
What challenges do you face with online learning?
how do you stay motivated?
Do you miss classroom interaction?
What's the hardest part?
What challenges do you face with online learning? How do you stay motivated? Do you miss classroom interaction? What's the hardest part?
Let's practice talking about challenges.
I struggle to stay focused when I study at home. Too many distractions.
Same. I have to go to a library to concentrate.
Good idea. Maybe I'll try that.
Changing your environment helps. Now let's talk about staying motivated in online courses.
Self-discipline is key.
I set a regular study schedule.
I break courses into small chunks.
I join online study groups.
I set goals and reward myself when I meet them.
I remind myself why I started.
I set a regular study schedule. I break courses into small chunks. I join online study groups. I set goals and reward myself when I meet them. I remind myself why I started.
You can ask,
How do you stay motivated?
what strategies work for you?
Do you have tips for staying on track?
How do you avoid procrastination?
How do you stay motivated? What strategies work for you? Do you have tips for staying on track? How do you avoid procrastination?
Let's practice talking about motivation.
I set aside 1 hour every evening for my online course. It's part of my routine now.
That's smart. Routine makes it easier.
Exactly. I don't even think about it. I just do it.
Habit is powerful. Now let's talk about certificates and credentials.
Many courses offer certificates.
I get a certificate when I finish the course.
The certificate helps with my resume.
Some courses offer university credit.
I can share my certificate on LinkedIn.
Employers value these credentials.
I get a certificate when I finish the course. The certificate helps with my resume. Some courses offer university credit. I can share my certificate on LinkedIn. Employers value these credentials.
You can ask, do you get a certificate?
Is it accredited?
Will it help your career?
Can you add it to your resume? Do you get a certificate? Is it accredited? Will it help your career? Can you add it to your resume?
Let's practice talking about certificates.
This course offers a certificate from Google. That's great for my resume.
Wow, that's impressive. Google certificates are well respected.
I know, that's why I chose it.
Brand names matter. Now let's talk about interaction in online courses.
Some courses have forums in communities.
There are discussion forums where students help each other.
I can ask questions and get answers from peers.
Some courses have live Q&A sessions.
There's a community of learners on social media.
I've made friends through online courses.
There are discussion forums where students help each other. I can ask questions and get answers from peers. Some courses have live Q&A sessions. There's a community of learners on social media. I've made friends through online courses.
You can ask,
Is there interaction with other students?
is there a forum or groups?
Can you ask questions during the course?
Is there a community around the course?
Is there interaction with other students? Is there a forum or groups? Can you ask questions during the course? Is there a community around the course?
Let's practice talking about interaction.
The course has a great forum. Students are really helpful.
That's important. Learning alone can be isolating.
Exactly. The forum makes it feel like a real class.
Community helps. Now let's learn some important vocabulary for talking about online courses. This time, we'll put each word in a sentence to help you remember.
Online course, a course taken over the internet. I'm taking an online course in photography.
E-learning, electronic learning. E-learning has become very popular.
Platform, a website or app for courses. Coursera is a popular platform.
Self-paced, learning at your own speed. This course is self-paced.
Module, a unit of a course. I've completed 3 modules.
Lesson, a single learning session. Each lesson has a video.
Video lecture, a recorded lesson. The video lectures are clear.
Quiz, a short test. There's a quiz after each module.
Assignment, a task to complete. The assignment is due next week.
Certificate, a document showing completion. I received a certificate.
Credential, a qualification. This credential will help my career.
Accredited, officially recognized. Is this course accredited?
Instructor, a teacher. The instructor is very knowledgeable.
Peer, a fellow student. My peers gave good feedback.
Forum, an online discussion board. I posted a question in the forum.
Discussion board, another word for forum. Check the discussion board for help.
Enroll, to sign up for a course. I enrolled in a marketing course.
Complete, to finish. I completed the course yesterday.
Progress, how far you've gone. I'm tracking my progress.
Deadline, when something's due. The deadline is next Friday.
Great vocabulary. These words will help you talk about online courses.
Now, let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. I study online course.
Correct. I'm studying an online course, or I'm taking an online course.
Mistake number 2. I enrolled in Coursera.
Correct. I enrolled in a course on Coursera.
Mistake number 3. The course have videos.
Correct. The course has videos.
Mistake number 4. I finished the course.
Correct. Perfect.
Let's practice. I'm taking an online course in web design.
I enrolled in a course on Udemy.
The course has video lectures and quizzes.
I finished the course and got a certificate.
Perfect.
Now, here are some idioms about learning and studying.
To be a lifelong learner. To keep learning throughout life. I'm a lifelong learner.
To brush up on. To review or improve. I need to brush up on my Spanish.
To pick up. To learn casually. I picked up some coding skills online.
To dive into. To start learning deeply. I'm diving into data science.
To get the hang of. To learn how to do something. I'm finally getting the hang of it.
Repeat. Lifelong learner.
Brush up on.
Pick up.
Dive into.
Get the hang of.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned why people take online courses.
Flexibility, cost, access.
We learned about popular platforms.
Coursera, Udemy, edX, LinkedIn Learning.
We learned about course formats.
Self-paced, live, video-based.
We learned about advantages.
Learn anywhere, rewatch videos, variety.
We learned about challenges.
Motivation, distractions, isolation.
We learned about staying motivated.
Schedule, goals, rewards.
We learned about certificates.
Credentials, resumes, LinkedIn.
We learned about interaction.
Forums, communities, peers.
We learned important vocabulary with example sentences.
And we fixed some common mistakes.
That's everything you need for talking about online courses.
Here's your challenge for today.
Think about an online course you've taken or would like to take.
Describe it in 3 sentences.
I took an online course in digital marketing on Coursera. It was self-paced and had video lectures. I got a certificate that helped me get a promotion.
Perfect.
Practice saying it out loud.
Now go to the comments.
Tell us about your experience with online courses.
What did you study? Was it helpful?
For example, I took a Python course on Udemy. Now I can write code for my job.
That's great.
Or, I tried an online course but struggled to stay motivated. I prefer in-person classes.
Everyone learns differently.
Share your online learning stories with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.